India's bustling capital is on high alert as tensions with Pakistan escalate following recent cross-border incidents. The alert stems from intensified hostilities after India's Operation Sindoor, a retaliatory strike targeting terror infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. This followed a deadly attack in Pahalgam on April 22, which claimed 26 lives. Late Thursday, Pakistan launched drone and missile attacks from Jammu to Rajasthan Jaisalmer, prompting swift Indian counterattacks. In Delhi, the government has cancelled all employee leaves until further notice, signaling the severity of the situation. India Gate, a popular public space, was evacuated and traffic around it is heavily regulated. Delhi's airport has also issued advisories warning of potential flight disruptions due to airspace restrictions. Security has been significantly ramped up. Delhi police, alongside paramilitary units and SWAT commandos, are deployed at strategic locations like the CGO complex, defense headquarters, and tourist hotspots. Regular vehicle checks at city borders are intensified and bomb disposal squads are conducting anti-sabotage operations across the city. Earlier today, the Directorate of Civil Defence tested air raid sirens at the PWD headquarters, a stark reminder of the city's preparedness for any kind of emergency. Across Delhi, district magistrates are reviewing health and disaster response systems to ensure readiness. Mock drills, part of Operation Abhyas, were conducted at 55 locations, including schools and markets, to train civilians and officials alike. Residents are being urged to stay vigilant and avoid spreading unverified information on social media. The ripple effects are left beyond Delhi. Border states like Punjab, Rajasthan, and Gujarat are also on high alert, with blackouts enforced in sensitive areas to safeguard critical infrastructure. In Delhi, the installation of air raid sirens on high-rise buildings is underway, with the range of 8 kilometers, ensuring residents are alerted in case of any kind of escalation. While the government emphasizes preparedness, the situation has sparked concern among residents. As Delhi braces for uncertainty, the nation watches closely. The government assures citizens that all measures are in place to ensure safety, but the situation remains fluid.